Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious soup beans in an instant pot. First, let's talk about preparing your beans. Soaking them overnight is a crucial step that helps them cook evenly and become wonderfully tender. You'll want to rinse and sort about 1 pound of dried beans, then cover them with at least 2 inches of water. Let them soak for 8 to 12 hours for the best results, ensuring they are fully hydrated before cooking. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Using the sauté function on your Instant Pot, cook down some diced onion, celery, and minced garlic until they are fragrant and softened. This step is essential for a robust taste. Next, add a smoked ham hock or a few strips of bacon to infuse a deep, savory essence into your beans. Remember to deglaze the pot with a little broth to capture all those delicious brown bits. Once your flavor base is ready, it's time for the magic of pressure cooking. Add about 6 cups of water or broth to the pot, making sure your beans are completely covered. Secure the lid and set your Instant Pot to high pressure for 30 to 45 minutes. The exact time can vary slightly based on the type and age of your beans. After cooking, allow a natural pressure release for at least 15 minutes. This helps the beans become incredibly tender. Finally, let's add those finishing touches to your perfect soup beans. Carefully remove the ham hock, shred the tender meat from the bone, and stir it back into the pot. Now is the time to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. A small splash of apple cider vinegar can brighten the flavors beautifully. Serve your warm, comforting soup beans with a slice of cornbread or a side of fresh greens for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.